Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you with me to have a walk around Hill Garden and Pergola, a truly magnificent paradise hidden away in the part of Hampstead Heath, just 4 miles away from central London. It was built in 1906. My favorite times of the year is spring. When the flowers are out, the places smell incredible. It is worth mentioning this garden was designed to be hidden away from public eyes, and it really is a secret spot. But nowadays is open to the public all day long. It was built for holding summer parties and pleasure. Could you imagine that, wearing those lovely 19th century outfits and holding a glass of champagne in your hand and running around this garden? That would be truly, truly magnificent. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was inspiring enough for you to get down here and have a lovely time. See you in my next video. Goodbye.